Now, if you want to make money without investing or owning a website, then all you need is a smart link from Monetag. Because in this video, I want to show you practical ways you can make money from your social media traffic with this very platform called Monetag. Now, this is for everyone who want to either make money from their Facebook, Twitter ads, or Instagram traffic. In my previous video on how to make money online, I shared with you how you can make money with this very platform called Monetag. Now, exploring all the opportunities they have in their platform. And I got many comments of people asking me to create a video on how they can make money from their social media traffic. Now, this is the reason I'm making a part 2 of this video, showing you how you can make money from Monetag through your social media account. And this is going to be a very practical and a full big video because I'm going to be walking you through every process right here on my screen. And after that, I'm going to be sharing all the links and all the resources you need to get started right here in this very video for you. And if you want to know the full process on how you can get started with Monetag, then you have to watch the previous video on this. I'll be sharing that video on the link right here, or I'll be leaving it in anywhere right here in the description. Many of you might not know what Monetag is, and you might be asking the question, what is Monetag? And Monetag is an ad advertising network that pays publishers or creators like you once anybody view our promoted ad. This is just something like YouTube AdSense, Google AdMob, or even Facebook ads you are seeing right after watching any video you are watching. This is just exactly like that. One best thing about this is that you don't even have to own a website to do this. You don't even need huge following, or you don't have to even reach the monetization threshold to start making money from this very platform. This platform gives you the opportunity to make money even with your social media account or with your blog or with any traffic platform you have. Now, why Monetag Smartlink? Unlike many advertising companies and CPA marketing platforms out there, Monetag has been on the market for years and has worked with thousands of advertisers all over the world, which means you have competitive CPM rates and good payout for you. Now, there are ads for any users from any geography, and also they have fast payouts starting from $5. With as low as $5, you can request for payout and Monetag pays you instantly. And also they have 24/7 support system, meaning you can reach out to their customer care anytime, any day, even in the middle of the night, and they can resolve whatever problem or issue you are having. Now, how can you make money from Monetag? Now, at first, you have to have a registered account with this very platform. Now, to register an account with them, I already break everything down in my previous video. You want to make sure you're using your real data and your accurate numbers, in the sense that you have to make sure that everything is accurate. If you are putting your date of birth, make sure your date of birth is corresponding with your ID card or your voter's card or whatever means you are using to identify your account, because you are going to identify your account and verify your account before you can get paid, right? And if any of this information are not corresponding together, you won't be able to withdraw your earnings. So make sure you watch my previous video on this very platform, or which I shared with you how you can get your account registered. I walk you through on how you can get your account registered, A to Z, and what you need and everything you need to get started. Make sure you watch that video right now before coming back to this very video. I will leave the video right here around here, or you will see it right there in the description of this video. Now, once your account is registered, let's move down to the next phase right away. Now, once your account is registered, you're going to be landing in this very page right here, on which I am right now. As you can see right now, this is my dashboard, and this is my direct link right away. This is my statistics, and this is my earnings right now, $0, right? And if you scroll down, the first thing you have to do is to come over to statistics right now. As you can see right now, dear partner, you have just started monetizing traffic with Monetag. Congratulations. To make sure you are on the same page, please take a look at our policy and agree and pay attention to the prohibited traffic acquisition practice like auto self-click and bot fraud. Now, let me explain this very to you, right? You have to go and read their terms and conditions and policy. This is very important because many of us, we will abuse this and you will not get paid, right? Now, this platform does not accept you clicking your ad by yourself. That means self-clicking, right? Many people will go as far as clicking their ads so that they can get paid. Now, this platform track their ads, right? They track every of this ad, and if you self-click your ads, they are going to know, and this is going to violate your account and you might not get paid. So don't do that. It's not very nice. You have to be genuine in doing this so that you will get your money right away. This is a platform that pays and they are genuine. You can go ahead and search them on Google right now. Go and check their review. So let's go over and check the statistics right away. Now, this is my statistics right now. As you can see, I have a total impression of 1 impression, and my profit right here is $0.1, right? I've already started making money, and the CPM right there is $1.2. The CPM right there is $1.2, and there's $1 right here, right? This shows you that if you are very dedicated and serious about this, you can make a whole lot of money from this very opportunity right now. So let's go to payment and let's check payment out. Now, if you come over to payment right now, as you can see, this is where you can be able to withdraw your money. To be enabled withdrawals, set a payment options, right? This is a new account I have not enabled and I have not set a payment option. So you have to set the payment options for you to withdraw. I have $0 to my name on this very platform, right? And once you have started making money right there, the money will start reflecting right here. Now, this is how you can set your payment options. Now, this is your earnings, right? I have no outstanding earnings right now. This is my payment, meaning the money they have paid me, or the money, no payment made during this selected period, right? They have not paid me any money because I have not withdrawn any money from this platform. This is my payment options, as you can see. Now, this is how you can set up your payment options. Now, these are the available payment options. They have cryptocurrency right here. You can receive money in bitcoins, USSDT, and all of that. Now, you have PayPal right here, right? PayPal, the minimum withdrawal is $5. The minimum withdrawal in cryptocurrency is $100. As you can see right now, you can set paper, no extra fees. As you can see now, it's free. They are set free right here. As you can see, instant payout in euro only, no extra fee. Minimum payout is $5, and you can also withdraw through Pioneer instant payment in USSD. Right, the minimum payout right here is $20 right here. Now you have to have one of these accounts, then set your payment options. Right now, if you don't have any of these accounts, then go and get a paper account. I already created a video on how you can get a paper account in my channel. You can just check it right now. You search my name, how to create paper account, or you can check my videos. It's a recent video. You can see that right now. Then you can just input it right here. Click on plus button. Then you can put in your paper email right here. Then you can just click on save. That way, all the money they are going to be paying you will be directing to your PayPal account. So with this said, let's move down to the next one right now. Now, one of the opportunities this platform also offers, apart from making money from Smartlink, is their referral program. This is very sweet and this is very nice. Now, as you can see right now, this is their referral program right now. As you can see, even right now, I already have people who have registered on this platform. This is my referrals right now on this very platform. Right now, this is one of the ways I can make money on this very platform. Let's go up right now. As you can see, you earn 5% on your referrals revenue by recommending us. You share the link with your referrals. Your referrals join Monetag and they get rewarded. And you will be earning 5% of all the referrals revenue. This is a lifetime earnings on this very platform. You can just click on get link. You get your link and you can share with your friends and family, and you make money from their referral program. Now let's move back to the direct link right now, and let me show you how you can make money practically through this direct link. What you have to do is to come over to this very add direct link right here. Click on add direct link. It's going to load up, right? And right here right now, a new link has been pasted right now. It's called Pleasant Link. So what I'm going to do right now is to copy this very link. Now, Smart Link will help you select relevant ads for every user. That means it help you select a relevant ad that is suitable for all users. Now, what I'm going to do right now is to copy this very link I just generated right now. This link right now is directing me to alibaba.com. This is the ad this link is directing me to right now. So you can see Alibaba, the leading B2B e-commerce platform. Now, this is the e-commerce platform right now. Now, what Smartlink just did right now is that they help me generate a specific ads right now that is suitable for me. Right now, this is the ad that is very suitable for my niche. And what I'm going to do right now is to create a post around e-commerce, and I'm going to suggest this link for my users to get started. Now, just watch me as I do this. Now, if you're using Facebook, no, Facebook does not accept direct link, right? Direct link like this. So what you have to do is to create a landing page of which you are going to direct your Facebook audience to. From there, they can click the ad and they can go to this very page, or they can go to the relevant page they are going to. Right? Any ads your audience click, you are getting paid. Every ad your audience click or any traffic you drive to that ad, you are getting paid ASAP. So let's watch me as I do this right now. You can go to car.co and create a landing page. You can see right now, these are my landing page I just created. This is a 3 landing page right now. I can easily just put this ad into this landing page right now. Creating landing page with this website is free of charge. You don't have to pay any single money. So I'm giving everything for you for free. The link to this website will be dropped right there in the description of this video. You can click that around the description. I'm going to specify it right there. Click it and you can have access to this very website. I'm giving this for free. So all you have to do is to subscribe to this very channel, like this video for more amazing videos like this, and share this to your friends out there who need this information. Let's go to the next point right away. I'm going to just tell ChatGPT to help me make a post on practical ways to make money online. I'm making e-commerce or e-com as a point of suggestion. By the end of the post, there is a link directing them to your website or landing page. I'm going to click on go right now, and ChatGPT is going to help me generate a post on this very topic, right? As you can see, 5 practical ways to make money online. And these practical ways to make money is suggesting freelancing first, online tutoring. As you can see, e-commerce is one of the most scalable and beginner-friendly models, and you don't need a huge budget to get started. Ready to learn how? I have put together a simple guide on how you can own your store. Then you can put a link right here. I'm going to create a landing page right here. This is a landing page from car.co. I'm going to create a landing page telling them how they can get started with e-commerce. Now, this is going to be a full scale. Now, ChatGPT can help you do all of this. You don't have to crack your brain. ChatGPT can help you create a full-blown website write-up you can use on this very website, right? I'm going to copy this very post right now. So you copy this very post, you can take it to your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, wherever place you are using to drive traffic for this very website. So I'm going to take it to my YouTube right now. I believe I have traffic on my YouTube. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to post this on my community tab right now. Then what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go over to my direct link. I'm going to copy this link right now. I'm going to be using. Copy the link I'm going to be using right now. Come to my website and I'm going to create a website on this, right? If you want to learn how you can create a website, this is a simple copy and paste website. You don't have to even know how to code, right? It's just simple. You can just click on any text, edit it right here, put whatever text you want to edit, and you can put in the link right here, right? This is a website I just created for one of my products, right? It's just an example, a landing page for one of my products. And by the end of the landing page, there is a call to action. As you can see, if you want to visit, click here. I'm going to put in my direct link right here. My direct link is going to be integrated into this very place. They click here, they're going to go to my direct link ads. That way, anybody that clicks on this right now, I'm going to be getting paid and they're going to be directed to a certain ad. Since I already put my direct link right here, I'll just go ahead and save this very landing page. Click on publish changes, and it's going to be published and it's going to be live, right? Now, if I come to my landing page right now, this is the landing page. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to copy this very landing page. Let me just scroll down. So once anybody click on this very place right here, once anybody click on this very place right here, they are going to be directed into my Monetag Smartlink ad, and I'm going to be getting paid, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to copy this very landing page, right? Copy it. So I'm going to come to my YouTube post, or which is the post I just generated from ChatGPT. Then I'm going to put in the link right here to my landing page. I put in the link to my landing page right here. Just paste it right here, right? And this is my landing page, car.co. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to make this post publish on my. So I'm going to post it right now. The post is live right now. As you can see, 5 practical ways to make money online into the 5 freelancing, e-commerce, and all of that. Right, ready to learn. I've put together a guide that will help you. They are going to click here. So once they click here, they're going to be coming into my page. This which is this landing page. So once they read through the page, they are going to click on this very page right now. So once they click on here, it's going to take it to the ad. And once anybody visits that ad, I'm going to be getting paid right here, and it's going to be showing right here. As you can see right now, the impression right now is 2, as you can see, right? This is a pretty practical wisdom on how you can make money from Monetag. And here's the reason I took my time to take you through the landing page processes, right? I don't want you to just go ahead and copy the link from Monetag and just go ahead and paste it on inside your Facebook page, your Instagram page, your Twitter page, right? The reason is because most of our social media app does not accept you posting direct links on their platforms. This can get you implicated, and this can get your social media account, your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, they can get it at risk or suspicious, right? But we have to be on the safer side so that you can do this in the long run and you can cash out big time. So what you have to do is to have a landing page. You can create a free landing page on car.co. I will share the resources to this website in this video. Open a free account with car.co. You have a free landing page and a free website right there. Then you can make a post on this very relevant ad you are promoting on Monetag. So once you make a post on Facebook, direct them to your landing page, right, or your website. So once they get there, they read through and they can easily click on that very link while you are cashing out and getting paid big time. Right now, this is the practical ways on how you can make money from Monetag through the Smartlink. Right, if you're finding it difficult to create a landing page through car.co, if you want me to create a tutorial on how you can create a landing page, easy step, let me know in the comment section, right? Or either ways, you can check it out on YouTube on how you can create a landing page on car.co. You can search YouTube right now. You can have several videos on that. Or if you want me to do that for you, just let me know. I will take my time and create a video on that. One thing about me is that I listen to my community a lot. Right now, this is how you can make money from Monetag right now. So to register on Monetag, all you have to do is to click on the first link you'll be seeing in the description of this video or in the pinned comment section. Click on it to get started on Monetag. Monetag is one of the opportunities you can make money online without owning a website, and you can use Monetag to monetize your YouTube channel, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, even without being monetized by this platform. Now, Monetag is one of the best way you can make money online right now. So I encourage you right now to go down there, click on the link, get registered with them, and start making money right now. Now, if you want to know how you can get registered fully on Monetag, make sure you watch my first video on this very topic. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.